Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to set up parental controls on your CNTF2NZ TV. To do that, we have to press the menu button in the top left corner of the D-pad on our remote control first, and then after reaching the settings menu, you have to use right arrow key to navigate to the lock menu. And once you are here, use down arrow key to go to the lock options. So first of all, we're gonna have to enable the system lock feature. And to enable it, we have to highlight this option, then press OK. And if you didn't set up a password previously for your TV, enter the default password here. The default password can be either 1234 or 4 zeros. So just enter one of these two passwords in here. And after that, click OK button to enable system lock. To change the password for your system lock, use down arrow key to go to the set password option, press OK, and then enter the default password first. So it can be either 4 zeros or 1234. And then enter a new password in the two following fields. So enter it once, and then to confirm, enter it the second time. After that, your password will be reset, and whenever you'll want to adjust any of these settings, you'll have to enter the new password, newly set password. So here we have options like channel lock, where you can select particular channels that you want to protect with a password. So you'll probably see the channels list on your TV, and you'll be able to navigate between them using up and down arrow keys and OK button to select the channel that you want to lock. Whenever you want to go back, just press menu button on your remote control. Then if you want to enable parental guidance, then click OK here, and then select the age which you want to use for the parental guidance. So basically, this will apply to all the programs that you watch on your TV. So after you select a particular age, the TV will only show the programs and TV shows that are appropriate for this age or lower until you enter the security password if you want to unlock some specific TV show or program. Okay, so let me re-enter the password to access the system settings. And the next thing here we have is the key lock, which we can either enable or disable, and we can also set our TV to the HardReset mode. By going to the HardReset mode, by pressing the OK button, we can switch it on, and this will limit our TV's capabilities. So we can select the source lock here. Now, for example, we can only allow using the digital TV or only the analog TV without entering the security password. And that's pretty much what it does. So all the ways that you can think of limiting your TV's displaying capabilities, like the default volume, max volume, default source of the TV, which should be used whenever you turn it on, and that's pretty much it. And if you want to disable HardReset mode, just select this option and click off, then go menu button to go back, and then if you want to disable system lock at any point, just go to the system lock option and click OK on it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.